The next command that we're going to learn and discuss is the COMF command, or the command that complements or inverts the contents of the file register. The COMF file reg, D instruction complements or inverts the contents of the file register and places the result in the working register or the addressed file register. We've got an example here that we're going to take a look at. This is what is commonly called a read, modify, and write command, and we'll see more of these in the future as we start putting more of these commands under our belt. If you take a look at the example below, we're going to put a hex 55 into the working register and then send it to one of the special function registers, one of the SFRs, at location B, port B, and then the content of port B will be complemented, which becomes a hex AA. So we can see that in binary terms, 55 hex is really 01010101, and upon the execution of the complement command, it becomes 10101010, or a AA hex command. So we can look at the code itself. We're going to use the move literal to the working register. So we're literally going to place the value, the literal value of 55 hex into the working register. And again, recall the working register is just one location. It's like an accumulator. Then we're going to use the move WF command, which means we're going to move the value from the working register to port B. And so now port B will have the 55 hex located in that SFR. Then we apply the complement, the COMF command, to the value at port B, and we identify it as a file register location. So we complement port B, and it now becomes AA hex. So that is the COMF instruction, or the complement F instruction. Let's look at a simple example here. The example says write a program to toggle the SFR of port B continuously, i.e. forever. We're just going to make it do this loop over and over again. So just like we saw before, we're going to use the move literal W command. So we're going to put 55H in the working register. Again, we're going to move that value WF to the port B. So we're moving the value from the working register to the register at port B. Then we've got a line statement here, B1. The line statement for B1 says to do the complement at the file register and turn FF or AF55H into its complement of AAH. The next step, the final step that we haven't seen before, is the go-to command, and we'll see more of this as indicated in the future chapter. Go to line B1, which was the complement command, and just keep doing that. So it puts it in a loop, and it just keeps complementing over and over again. So that is an example of the complement F instruction. Next, we'll look at the decrement F instruction.